In this video, you'll learn how to create a real estate website using WordPress. By following these steps, you will be able to set up your site efficiently and effectively. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com site. Look for the option labeled Sites in the main navigation area. Once you are on this page, you should see a list of your existing sites, if any, or an option to create a new site. Next, find and click on the button that says Create with AI. This option is typically located prominently on the screen. After selecting this, the interface will guide you to the next step in the site creation process. Once you proceed, you will see the Laying the Foundations prompt. Click on this option, which will lead you into the setup process. At this point, the interface may take a moment to load, displaying a loading indicator as it prepares the necessary tools for your new site. After the loading process, you will see a message stating, "Make a website as unique as you." This indicates that the AI is ready to assist you in creating your site. It is essential to read the prompts carefully as they will guide you through the customization options. Continue by typing in Create a real estate website in the designated input field. This action will help the AI understand your specific needs and preferences for your new site. After entering the text, ensure to press the Enter key to confirm your input. Now, you will receive a message that WordPress.com can create a real estate website. This confirmation indicates that the AI is prepared to generate a site tailored to your specifications. Pay attention to the suggestions it provides, as they may enhance your site's effectiveness. Type in the choice presented above that best describes your website's purpose. This step is crucial for ensuring that the AI understands your vision. After you have made your selection, remember to click Enter to proceed. A new prompt will ask, what should your website be called? This is where you can define the site title that will be displayed in the Browser tab. Type in your desired name, then press Enter to confirm. Next, provide a tagline or description that summarizes what your website offers. This tagline will appear in search results and social previews, making it vital for attracting visitors. After typing your tagline, click Enter to continue. Once you have entered your tagline, click on the button labeled Create My Site. This action will initiate the website creation process, and you will see a message stating, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This indicates that WordPress is working on generating your site. As the site is being created, you may see a loading screen. The process might take a while depending on your internet speed and the complexity of your site setup. It is advisable to remain patient during this phase. After a brief wait, the system will generate your site. A confirmation message will appear, signifying that your real estate website is now ready for use. At this point, you can explore your new site and make any necessary adjustments. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.